Someone told me last time he knows Kubernetes and he is using Kubernetes in his organization, but he missed to understand the basic concepts of Docker and containers, and now facing difficulty to implement the best practices for their container platform. I told him that there are plenty of resources around to learn Docker and most of them are free of cost. Then I thought to share it with you as well. My name is Gineesh and welcome to techbeatly. If you think our videos are useful, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and enable notification. Okay, so these are the free resources around, and the number one is training.playwithdocker.com. This is kind of a course and lab arrangement and free for everyone. Play with Docker Classroom contains different levels of courses to learn Docker, and they have categorized the chapters for administrators and developers. Example, there are stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 in each track, and it will cover beginner level to intermediate to advanced production level topics. You will learn the basics of Docker and containers in stage 1, and you will also do real hands-on labs during the course. The labs are accessible directly from your browser window, and you will get instructions on what and when to do in detail. They have also included detailed instructions on the actual methods and how containers are working. You can choose any stage or any lab at any time at your own pace or interest. You can also access the labs for different tests directly via labs.playwithdocker.com, which is the actual labs running during your training. You need to log in with your Docker account, which you can easily create with an email and just start the labs. You can create a single instance to test or predefined templates for 2 nodes or 5 nodes, etc. Each session will last for 4 hours, but you can create new sessions and instances at any time. Okay. Number 2. Thanks to Mumshad and CodeCloud team. They are offering their Docker for Absolute Beginner as a free of cost, and you can sign up for the same. They have included training videos and demos in the course, and also free labs which you can access from your browser itself. You don't need to install anything on your workstation or laptop. CodeCloud labs are well known for their interactive quiz sections and detailed explanations. Okay, the course will give you an introduction to Docker, then the basic command sets, explanation on images and image registries, and some introduction to Docker Swarm clusters. And for each session they have arranged labs to practice so that you will do real hands-on practice on each topic. Okay. Number 3, I have mentioned Katacoda in another video about free hands-on labs for OpenShift. So Katacoda is a superb resource for free labs. You can access katacoda.com/courses/docker for free Docker labs, which will give you options to start with any scenarios to learn Docker. Like previous resources, Katacoda also provides in-browser labs, and you just need a browser to access those. You can start with any scenarios and you will reach an in-browser lab where you can see instructions on the left side and a console window on the right side. You just need to follow the instructions and execute the commands as per guide. You can start or stop labs anytime, and you can try those labs until you learn as much as you want. Number 4. If you are a person who likes to read the documentation and learn, then docs.docker.com is the right choice for you. Go to docs.docker.com/get-started and /overview. You can find end-to-end details about Docker technology, including image development, advanced Docker file, or Docker Compose methods. What are the best practices for production-ready containers, images, all those you can see there. Also, there are guides on orchestration using Kubernetes or Docker Swarm. Number 5 or last one is container.training is another resource where you can get most of the Docker tutorial slides and other training videos. There are workshop recordings available for watching, which will give you more ideas on container technology. Bonus tip: I have mentioned a few other links in the description, and please have a look. Some are the videos, some links, etc. And yeah, that's all for this video. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the latest videos on latest DevOps topics. Thank you.